ये था, ये झूठ है. So, actually what has happened, it was very close to the box, that's why it has happened. Now now you can tell. Now you can use this one, okay? No, there's no problem. You can use. Yes. Yes.
The another thing that I have strength in my multi-diversity because I am good in many things. Just like today, my voice is not clear, but I am good in singing, dancing, writing poetry, studying, and riding cycle.
Any poetry you would like to make us listen? A very beautiful poetry of yours. Small poetry, not big one, but small poetry we want.
Small poetry. So I have written many, but I have habit of forgetting those lines.
Any line. As I also remember, I would like to means like Kumar Vishwas, anybody else.
Uh, Recently, I have seen it on Instagram. I have very inspired by that. कि हाँ चुभने लगूं तुम्हारी आंखों में, ऐसा मेरा कोई काम होने दो, मैं खुद हो जाऊंगी बदनाम, पहले मेरा नाम होने दो.
Now you have to tell about yourself.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Preeti. I have completed my schooling from Ballabgarh, and I also completed my graduation from MD University. Now I am learning English because I want to work in MNC companies. And my strength is my hard work and positive attitude. And that's all.
Okay, I have a situation for you as you are doing your graduation. There is a teacher whose hands are black because of the ink. Okay, what conclusion would you like to draw? Suppose there is a teacher who was in the class, now the teacher has come out of the class and his hands are black because of the ink. What conclusion would you like to draw? What would be your comment after watching those hands? Is he hardworking? Or the ink has got spilled on his hands? Or the teacher may be the criminal? Because
Sir, it is hard working because a teacher teach.
okay, you would like to say while teaching the student, the teacher rubbed the board and because of those hands are black.
Yes, sir.
That's why there is a ink on the hands. But don't you find that there may be a situation the teacher committed so many mistakes while writing on the board, he had to rub that. There is a possibility teacher committed so many mistakes, the teacher was inefficient. So teacher had to rub many things while teaching because of inefficiency. So there can also be, this possibility can also not be ruled out. So don't you find that you can't be positive in all the situation, and on the name of the positivity everything is being accepted by people nowadays? Okay, think about this. I will come to you some other day. Okay, please give me this. Okay, someone is left. So you. What is your name? Please tell us about yourself. Natasha. Are you both sisters? No. Okay. So please tell Natasha about yourself.
My name is Natasha.
Please a bit louder.
I am pursuing from MDU
What is your course?
BBA.
BBA. Means BBA, any specific BBA or just general BBA?
Journal.
General BBA. Okay. So where did you complete your 12th?
Garwal
Agarwal Girls. Okay. So now you are studying in Agarwal College.
College. नहीं, सुषमा स्वराज, श्रीमती सुषमा,
Where it is in Sector 2.
Sector 2.
Sector 2. So how many students are there?
I
You don't know. But students are there. Many students are there.
yes.
How do you find the studies over there?
दोबारा फिर
Are professors good? Are teachers good over there?
no,
No. Do they come regularly in the class or not?
no.
Do they not come? वो कभी नहीं सुधरेंगे. It has been, they have been doing it for very long. Okay. Okay. Who is more dangerous, father or this?
Sir, for whom?
For you.
Sir, no one.
Who beats whom?
Sir, sometime he beats me and sometime I beats him.
Is he right? बता दो इसको ही छोड़ो. Okay. Do you read Gita?
No, sir.
You don't read Gita. But what have you heard about Gita? A person said to us, कर्म कर फल की चिंता मत कर. How much, means, do you think, is it right in present perspective? Because expectation is a natural instinct of ours, or it is a natural emotion of ours. If I am doing something, for an example, I have given 3 hours. So मैं कर्म करूँगा इच्छा ना करूँ.
Sir, it is
So
up to.
how do you see this quote in the present era?
So sometime it is necessary or sometime it is not necessary. As you say, you spend here 3 hours. You waste 3 hours. So if sir,
Not waste.
yeah, sir, if sir don't give you any money, if sir don't give you any money, so according to me you waste your time. If sir is giving you money, so you don't waste our time, you earn money. So why should we waste our time if we are not getting any fruit?
But don't you find that I have done karma here? I have learned something. I have learned these questions because of this interview session. So I should not be worried about the money. Learning is there. Camera is there.
Yes.
I will be advertised.
Yes, you will be.
I will
But
be advertised.
or you can it can be up to the person that he want, or what is the wish of the person that he want the fruit or not.
Well done. He has spoken very well. It is up to the person. It means some people see fruit in money and some people fruit in learning. Thank you very much for your answer. Okay. There are is there any instance or example you would like to tell us? Because of him, you got trapped in trouble, or you trapped in trouble because of this person.
It generally happen. I don't tell his thing that he sometime he beat me and I also beat him. But he's very clever that if I do any bad, if I beat him or if I throw some water on him, he generally tells the father that but still he got in trouble because my father used to say that he is your big brother, he can do anything. So why are you complaining?
Why are you getting offended?
Yes. So this is his bad thing that I don't tell these kind of thing and he is backbiting.
Okay, please sit down. Thank you very much. Yeah, they both are brothers, huh? And they have been coming here for long. Okay, last question to him. Okay, because he has been speaking for long. They both. Okay, do you know each other? No, you don't know each other. Okay, so you have to tell about yourself.
Sir, my name is Nikhil.
Everybody here.
So good morning, good evening, good afternoon everyone. My name is Nikhil. I pursuing my diploma from Rajajat Singh Polytechnic. I pursuing my diploma from CSC.
Define this term. CSC. CSC, please define that.
Computer Science.
Computer science you are pursuing, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you want to be a computer engineer?
नहीं, web designer या
You want to be a web designer. Okay. Do you know any person who designs webs and is famous for this work?
नहीं.
You don't know any person? Okay, thank you very much. There is no problem. Best of luck for your career. Okay. You have given your 3 hours to us. What have you learnt out of these 3 hours except backbiting? So what have you learned?
I have learned so many things that you have asked so many questions to people, and I have learned that how to answer the people, and if I will get in our school there are so many sessions happen that we have to ask question to guests, so I can ask that question that you have asked.
Okay, so you can ask these questions. Okay, so you are going to utilize these questions or the structures of these questions in your school or daily life. Okay, thank you very much for your answer. Okay, it's time to